Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka 62-63. When a man thinks of objects, attachment for them arises. From attachment, desire is born. From desire arises anger.
Chapter 2, Shloka 62. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषुपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽपि जायते.
From anger comes delusion. From delusion, loss of memory. From loss of memory, the destruction of discrimination. From destruction of discrimination, he perishes.
Chapter 2, Shloka 63. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
Chapter 2, Shloka 62 and 63. In the next 5 shlokas, we have the philosophical view of the fall of man. How those who follow the instructions of the Lord become perfect has been described in the previous shlokas. Pattern. Knowing the pattern which is observed in all men who fell from the heights to which they had risen through rigorous efforts is at once a blessing from the realized masters. In all cases, the fall is due to our weakness in controlling our senses from all sides. In Vedanta, there is no real fall, but we all also see many disappointed seekers. The cause of the downfall is always same. It is sense entanglement. A slip means total destruction. Ladder of fall. What happens to those who do not follow is described in the following example of a ladder of fall. An intimate understanding of this can show us how we can get up. Steps. There are 8 steps in the ladder of fall. From continuous thinking of objects, attachment arises. From attachment, there arises a desire. When desire is not fulfilled, there anger steps in. This gives rise to delusion, which gives rise to loss of memory. Then comes the loss of discrimination, and finally man perishes. Starting point. Like a seed is the source of the plant, the source of all disappointments in life is ignorance. It is the seed for all wrong thinking. Thoughts are very powerful. They can make us or mar us. When we continuously think of an object, more and more thoughts are generated in us. They become a source of power. This power can be used for constructive purposes if our motives are good. This continuous thinking of an object creates in us an attachment. When these thoughts gather a momentum, they crystallize in the form of a burning desire. When it is obstructed, it becomes anger. An intellect fumed with anger becomes deluded. The deluded intellect has no power to discriminate because it loses all the memories of the past. It forgets its relationship with things and beings, and so he perishes. Learn more in the next video, in the next sloka. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.